Morning, guys. It's about 4:30 a.m. Getting an early start today. I got a lot I want to accomplish. Got some things I want to show you, and then we'll get started. So some of the items I'm going to be using today, I got this marine switch panel that has push button circuit breakers on it. A bunch of different switches, and then it came with a packet of these they're stickers that go in these little lighted areas, so it shows what's turned on. Pretty neat kit. I got it off Amazon. It was about 50 bucks. Also got a set of these. Got ground, 24 volt and 12 volt. You'll see where I'm going to use those. It's kind of obvious, but you'll figure out where I'm going to use those here in a bit. But the first thing I got to do is cut out a section for this and get it in there, and start reassembling like all the stuff, like the heater and all these panels and whatnot that I'm going to use. I need to start getting those put back together. The gauge panel. So let's get started with, oh, one other thing is the air conditioning switch. I got to get this wired in as well. This is the air conditioning switch, and these are the compressor wires. One of them is for 24 volts in, and then the other one goes to the compressor. So we'll get those, we'll get that installed as well. So let's get started. I think this is going to work out just fine. I think it matches pretty good. Put a 12-volt receptacle there. That's just a chase for the cables to come out to the monitor, and another 12-volt receptacle on this side. I think that's going to work out great. ahead and made up some little fuse panels here with some bus bar and those pieces that I showed you. So I got ground, 12 volt, and 24 volt, 4 circuits on each one. I think this will work out a lot better than the setup I had before. Now I got to start pulling cables, figuring out where I need to run cables, and then get the heater unit back up here. Start putting the ignition system back together so I can start the truck, and then go from there. So I got everything mounted okay as far as the heater goes, but you may have seen in the time lapse there that I was having trouble with the ammo can. So the issue is that roof support bar is in the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hog out the mounting holes a little bit and then just put some spacers in there and mount it at the same angle as the roof bar, and that should alleviate the problems. I've made some good progress, but I'm getting my butt kicked. This ammo can I made just isn't working out the way I wanted it. So I think what I might do is mount this one kind of like that. I gotta go punch a hole in it and see if it's gonna work, but these are only $7 a piece, so I don't care if I ruin them or whatever. But I think I might set this one at an angle and then put it in there like that, but I gotta punch a hole in it first and see if this is all gonna work. I think this version's gonna work a lot better. I'm gonna set it at a little bit of an angle, and then I'll put the switch plate on the actual cover. I'll cut the cover out and then put the relays on the top of the box or the bottom of the box, one of the two. I think it'll work out better. This is gonna be how it sits, just like that. I bent the brackets up a little bit so it sits at an angle. I think this is gonna work out a lot better than the other one. That would be an understatement. gonna work out a lot better. I just painted them, cut it out, painted them. The cover is actually thicker than the side, so it's even better. It'll be more sturdy. And then I got this can just painted. I'm gonna start cleaning up a little bit. It's getting pretty late in the day, and then might have a chance to get these mounted, and that's probably gonna be it for today. Alright guys, it's starting to get dark out, so I'm gonna call it quits for today. I worked on this a lot longer than I normally would have, but the second way I got this set up turned out freaking awesome. Look at this. So I've got the swing door on the front so you can open it up and do all your wiring. Got relays mounted on the roof of the inside of the box. Got edge guard down there where the wires poke through. Got some little standoff brackets, grade 8 standoff brackets. We got the circuit breakers done today. Man, we got a lot done today. So tomorrow is a whole nother day, and I'm gonna shoot myself in the foot and say that I want to finish tomorrow, but I don't know if that's possible. There's a lot of work left to do, so I'm just happy I got the box mounted, and it paint's still a little wet on it, but I wanted to get it done because that was what was holding me up this whole process today. It's just back and forth and back and forth. Anyhow, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.